Hello everyone, this is Susanna from Hold It Right There Sewing Patterns. Originally released exclusively to Bag of the Month subscribers, I'm delighted to present my newest pattern to the public, the Ember Crossbody. In this video series, I will walk you through all the instructions for making your Ember Crossbody. To make the Ember Crossbody, please purchase the sewing pattern from my website linked below. Timeless and modern, this square Ember Crossbody is designed with multiple compartments, perfect for on-the-go organization. The roomy vertical zip pocket on the outside of the bag is great for keeping small items secure, but it's also spacious enough to hold your phone. The slip pocket on the back outside of the bag is another great spot for keeping your phone accessible and secures closed with a magnetic snap. The reinforced base gives extra support to the bottom of the bag. The zipper closure at the top of the bag has an extra wide opening, making it easy to find what you're looking for. The lining zipper pocket keeps your small essentials safe and is also the way that we turn the bag right side out at the end of construction. The interior slip pocket on the opposite side of the lining offers additional organization. As you can see, the main lining compartment is spacious enough to hold my book and calendar. The adjustable crossbody strap made from webbing keeps your hands free. Dual rivets strengthen the strap tabs to hold up the strap to daily use. So whether you're showcasing a favorite fabric print or highlighting a solid color, this versatile bag design allows your personal expression to shine. Be sure to check out the lookbook included with your purchase of the sewing pattern. A lookbook is a collection of the beautiful versions of this pattern made by my testers. Each one is lovely and unique and sure to spark your imagination. I will now cover the list of supplies needed to make the Ember Crossbody. This list is found in the sewing pattern instructions. You will need 1 1/4 yard or 1 meter of quilting cotton, canvas, or waxed canvas. This is the fabric seen on the outside of the bag. For fabric 2, you will also need 1 1/4 yard or 1 meter of quilting cotton or waterproof canvas, and this fabric is used for the lining. You will also need 3 yards or 2.7 meters of woven interfacing, such as Pellon SF101 or similar. You will also need a small piece of ultra-firm stabilizer, such as 70F Pellon Peltex or similar. For hardware, you will need 2 rectangle or D rings, 1.5 inch in width or 3.8 centimeters, 2 swivel hooks, 1 slide, and these are all 1.5 inch or 3.8 centimeters. You will also need 1 18mm magnetic snap, 4 double-capped rivets, 8 millimeters in size, 2 number 5 zippers, 11 inch or 28 centimeters in length, 1 number 5 zipper, 16 inches or 40.6 centimeters in length. For the strap, you will need webbing 1.5 inches in width or 3.8 centimeters. The length of the webbing needs to be 60 inches or 150 centimeters. A few other helpful supplies include fabric sealant, double-sided tape, fabric glue such as Fabri-Tac or something similar, and a fabric marking pen. Once you've decided on your fabric, gathered your supplies, grab your sewing pattern and join me in the next video as we go over some of the unique features of this sewing pattern and prepare our fabric and interfacing. Thanks for watching. Happy sewing!